Hi, welcome to my videos on the Yaesu Fta850. We're on the Yaesu website. We're going to have a little look at the YCE46 PC programming software. It doesn't just program the channels, it actually sets all the settings up as well, which I think is pretty cool. If you go to the files section here, everything you need is here, so you can download the programming software. And there is a manual which we have here. We're at the end of the manual where it actually shows you how to put the 850 into read and write mode for the software, which you'd think they put right at the beginning, but no, it's right down near the end. So you turn off the device like so, hold down the squelch, and then, which is the bottom one underneath the PTT, and then hold down the squelch, turn it on, and the radio says CP mode, and now it's going to show up in your device manager. Of course, you need to connect the cable that is in the box, which is a micro USB cable, to your PC. So we'll go right click, device manager, double click ports, and we can see it's Fta850 COM13. It's going to work well. Yaesu products always work well in my opinion. So the software's to the right. Let's go to what it says here is, let's find the port. So place the mouse cursor over port. So let's go full screen. The radio is live. Option, port 13. Then here looks like we've got program to radio, read from radio. So we will read. First time ever, we're learning this together. You can see that I've got the radio as well. It says PC connected. Click OK. That seemed fine. Let's have a look. Memory book. Now I put a couple of memories in here for fun, just so it works, and you can see the two that I put in there. I've not put in the position. Wonder if we can copy and paste positions. Not by the looks of it, possibly. So anyway, double click root, memory groups, weather channels. We can save items if we want. Go to my desktop. I did create a file called Yaesu 850 somewhere. There it is. So we'll just start to save everything here. My 850. Save. And once you save once, it should just keep saving. It says here you can print items. Read from radio, write from radio up there as well. Options, port. Let's find the settings. It's going to be here somewhere. Setup. Configuration. So the menus on the radio are the same as what you're seeing on the PCs. I've already set the lamp as continuous, the key beeps, the dimmer level, you've got timer alarm, battery save, okay. Lock set, I've locked the PTT. There you go, we've got some reset functions here, memory banks, COM, factory, configuration, GPS. COM setup. So the COM band and the weather channel band is on. Looks like we have selected 8.33 kilohertz steps. We've got auto noise limiter off at the moment. I put that on just for fun. Noise cancel, TX mode. I'm only just testing this device out, so I won't be doing that. Receive mode. Yeah, let's try noise cancelling on receive. Dual watch frequency. I think I'm going to set that to 133.850 just for testing, and dual watch is on. I haven't used split frequency, so I'm not sure about that. Scan band, all bands, COM band, Navi band. Okay, and I'm learning the difference between the communication band where people talk and the Navi band, which is data and information regarding navigation. PTT scan stop is on. Scan resume 2 seconds. Scan stop. We've got TX timeout, which doesn't really matter because we're not doing that. Internal mic side tone, vox level. GPS setup, I have turned that on and it does look quite quick. We haven't changed any of the settings here. GPS. we've got more functions there. Memory book we've looked at, route, group name, and then there's your weather channels there. So to me it looks quite simple, and if we want to write back to the radio, we can hover. We'll just put program to radio start. We didn't really change anything. So hopefully this will help you, first time set up, and if you use this device, you will have groups, frequencies that you'd like to put into this device. There you go. Click OK. Minimize. I will put a link in for the software and for the instructions. If we go back to the top here, the instructions. YCE46. Lots of information here for you to learn about. Windows system, software, just very basic running of software. Showing you the configuration options you've got. So let's just say we wanted to program a memory channel. We would just go memory book. Can we add? Trying to think if we can add here, which you'd think we could. Memory book. So do we need to add on the radio? Can we not add using the PC? Someone let me know. Is it literally just reading what you've put into the radio? Memory group. Can we, we can rename the memory groups. That's something. Group number 1, group name. That's good. Here it is down at the bottom. I'm blind. Right, new. Sorry. So you can select one and edit it. Like so. Cancel on the right. You can go new. Name. So for example, Bristol. I'm just putting in random names here. Frequency 126.000. Put it into a group. We could put position there if we wanted to. And we're just putting in anything at the moment. That's why it's saying data error. Do we get the right coordinates in there? Maybe I'll just leave it blank for now, but you put in your position. Decide if you want it in the scan memory, decide if you want to shift, and then save. So that's how you add channels. Let's go to route. Again, click new there. You can add a route, memory group name. Not going to save that, so cancel. Group name. Now there's no add here, so is there only 9 groups? Because you can rename. As far as I can see, there's no SD card in this, so the memory you've got is the memory you've got. Can you change? Looks like. Let's just see if you can change the weather frequencies. Let's just try it. 162550. No, I don't think you can. So tag a name. Yes, you can tag the weather name and scan memory. Print. What does it give you when you print? Is it print screen? Interesting. Read options, port, we've done that. Help, about version. Copyright, the software is protected, so that's that. A blank, if you click blank, you're going to start everything fresh. File, you can open, save, print to file. You can open an XML file, that's interesting. It will look for that. Let's have a quick look. Wonder what you can open with an XML. So if you've got an XML file with lots of info, need to learn more about that. Exit, save, open, transfer, options, help. And that's it. So I recommend you read the manual on this. Let's see here, frequencies. When you select 8.33 kilohertz, it doesn't actually show that on the screen. It shows it, and there's a chart here. I read this earlier. There's your groups, 1 to 9. Deleting memory book entries, yeah, we just saw that. Memory group names, weather channels, tag name. There's some basic settings here. 6 menu categories: file, new, open, save, save as, and print. The sub item prints a programming configuration to hard copy. Click the left mouse and print parameter in the file menu printer. Print to file. XML, here it is. This selection opens a previously saved configuration from the computer. Click the left mouse button on the open parameter to XML file. So if someone sends you a file with lots of nice frequencies and groups in it, that's going to be very handy, I think. There's your transfer 850 to computer, entering CP mode. Yeah, we did that. So thank you. I am learning. I am brand new to all the devices that I learn about, and I just enjoy learning. It's fun. And there's I'll also put in the instruction manual there. Bye for now, 7.3. Please remember to like and subscribe.